Choo choo, choo choo.
Wow. Wow. They will stop.
Then how will it stop? There's no station. There's no station master.
Listen. Listen.
It's not stopping.
Welcome to Prayan's world. It fixed so easily.
What is this?
It's a part of a train.
Really?
Yes, and here's the bucket of the train. And there's another bucket over there. And this is the front of the train.
What is it called?
It's called this it turns on when you turn on this. It moves so
Is it called the engine?
yes,
What is it called?
the engine.
Oh, it's the engine.
But there's
What
all
are these?
these are the tracks. Yes,
Which lines are they? Are they straight lines, sleepy lines, or curvy lines?
curvy lines.
Let's see. There are some straight pieces as well. Can you separate the curved pieces from the straight pieces?
Please subscribe and hit the bell button.
Oh, this is straight. So let's keep the straight pieces here. Yes, this is one more straight piece.
But this one was broken into two.
Hmm.
But mommy fixed it.
Okay.
It was separated to two curves.
Really?
Yes,
Now it's fixed?
yes.
Oh, with what?
Tape.
Tape. A set of tape.
It's now it will run smoothly.
Oh, it has so many pieces. Let's try and build it.
Okay.
Okay.
It snaps on easily.
Show me. How does it snap on?
It snaps on like this. It snaps on like this.
That's cool.
It snaps on so easily. We put this like this.
Yeah. We have to make a loop so that the train can go around the loop.
This.
Right.
Okay. One more straight piece. And it's
And it's all
done.
yay!
I made the weird potato
Weird potato.
because look at the potato.
Is it a potato?
Mommy, it's shaped like a potato.
Really?
Yes, it's an oval.
Yes, it's an oval shaped track. So we used 10 curvy pieces and 4 straight pieces and made a oval track. How can you make an oval with your hand? Make an oval. Don't go round and round and round.
I did it here. It started with the engine.
Choo choo, choo choo.
Wow. Wow. They will stop.
Then how will it stop? There's no station. There's no station master.
Listen. Listen.
It's not stopping.
Look,
What's this?
it's a full storage for it.
Storage for it.
Yes,
Oh,
it
you can put some stuff in here and it can carry.
Yes, but he snapped very easily. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Now let's put it on.
Oh, it is. Let it go. Wow.
Yeah. Stop! Oh dear!
Let's put some stuff in here.
We can put saman.
What's the saman?
Blocks.
Some stuff in here. Don't put a lot. Just that much is enough. Keep it in the next carrier. Otherwise it will fall down. Don't overload.
This saman doesn't fall down.
Let's hope it doesn't fall down. Start the engine.
Start the engine. Look at the switch here.
Oh, the switch needs to be turned on. Can you turn it on?
Yes. Please subscribe and hit the bell button